Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be talking about our new Promptearn that we just upgraded to now accommodate creators in a big way. If you're looking for new ways to earn online, stick around. So what exactly is Promptearn? It's an affiliate marketing platform that lets you promote digital products, tools, and templates and earn commissions when your audience makes a purchase. Think of it as a way to monetize your recommendations. Here's the exciting part. Promptearn recently upgraded their platform specifically for creators. This means easier onboarding, better tracking dashboards, and more flexible payout options, all designed for people who want to create content and earn from it. For creators, this update is a game changer. You don't need a huge following to start earning, and you get clear analytics so that you know what's converting. Whether you make videos, blogs, social posts, or newsletters, you can plug into Promptearn and start earning commissions. If you're a creator looking to earn more from your audience, definitely check out Promptearn, especially with their new creator-focused features. You can sign up now using the link in our description. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you've tried Promptearn or want to get more tips on affiliate monetization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more creator income tips.